Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering exception handling in Java. Exception handling is a critical aspect of programming, allowing us to gracefully handle errors and unexpected situations in our code. In this video, we'll dive deep into try-catch blocks, throw, and throws in Java, providing you with code examples and best practices to enhance your understanding and mastery of exception handling. Before we delve into exception handling mechanisms, let's understand what exceptions are. An exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of a program's execution. It occurs when something unexpected happens during the execution of a program, such as division by zero or accessing an array out of bounds. The try-catch block is the fundamental construct for handling exceptions in Java. It allows us to catch and handle exceptions that occur within a block of code. Here's how it works: Java try, / code that may throw an exception, catch, exception type E, / code to handle the exception inside the try block. We place the code that may throw an exception. If an exception occurs, it's caught by the catch block, where we specify the type of exception we want to handle. Let's see an example. Java try, int result equals 10, 0, / this line will throw an arithmetic exception, catch, arithmetic exception E, system, out. Println an arithmetic exception occurred, plus E. Get message. In this example, if a division by zero occurs, the arithmetic exception is caught, and a custom message is printed. Sometimes, we may want to manually throw an exception to indicate an error condition. This is where the throw keyword comes into play. Here's how it works: Java throw new exception type error message. We create a new instance of the exception type we want to throw and provide an optional error message. Let's see an example. Java public class custom exception extends exception, public custom exception string message, super message, public class example, public void process int value, throws custom exception, if, value less than 0. Throw new custom exception value cannot be negative, / process the value in this example. If the value passed to the process method is negative, a custom exception is thrown with a custom error message. The throws keyword is used in method declarations to indicate that the method may throw certain types of exceptions. It delegates the responsibility of handling exceptions to the caller of the method. Here's how it's used. Java public void method name throws exception type 1, exception type 2, / method body we specify the types of exceptions that the method may throw. Let's see an example. Java public void read file throws IO exception, / code to read a file. In this example, the read file method declares that it may throw an IO exception when reading a file. Before we wrap up, let's go over some best practices for exception handling in Java. Be specific in catching exceptions to handle them appropriately. Always provide meaningful error messages to aid in debugging. Use try-catch blocks judiciously to avoid catching exceptions unnecessarily. Exception handling is a crucial skill for every Java developer. By mastering try-catch blocks, throw, and throws, you'll be better equipped to write robust and error-tolerant code. That concludes our comprehensive guide on exception handling in Java. We've covered try-catch blocks, throw, and throws, along with code examples and best practices. We hope you found this video helpful in enhancing your understanding of exception handling. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!